Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a 2018 Jaguar XE. You want to make sure you have your hood open. Hop in the car. Shut the door. If you have push button, without your foot on the brake, turn the vehicle on. Now you want to open your door, press and hold the gas and the brake pedal, and it should come up service resetting. And there it goes. And release. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Then check to make sure that it goes through all the warnings to see if it is reset. I gotta reset the tire pressures yet because I rotated the tires. And we are reset. Make sure you have your door open and your hood open when you're doing this procedure. If not, it will not reset. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell icon for more future updates on more content. Thanks and have a great day.